Hi, my name is Anna White. In this video, I'm going to walk you through building these chaise lounges. If you're interested in building this project, the plans are available for free through the link in the description. The plans include a detailed shopping list, cut list, as well as information on how to modify the plans to fit different size cushions. Most of this project is 2x4s. I cut all of my boards using a compound miter saw. Then I constructed the base using 2x4s and 2.5-inch self-tapping screws. For the remaining pieces, it's just a matter of following the diagrams and assembling them. It's all pretty easy, so I want to take a second to talk about wood types that you can use. I recommend Douglas fir for the 2x frame. It holds up because it's a denser wood. It seems to hold up better in my experience than cedar, and it's less expensive, and when it's appropriately treated, it can really last. So I have some chairs that are about 10 years old and they're still doing really well. However, you'll see me in a lot of videos use this pine wood simply because it's so much easier to work with, and a lot of times I'm working on a prototype. Assembly of all the pieces is pretty simple. Clamping it and working on a level surface and adding a lot of screws was the trick here, especially screws at different angles. And then I decked it. I'm using 1x6s. They were really dry, so I pre-drilled them. If you're using Douglas fir, you're probably going to have to pre-drill. And then I filled all the hills with wood filler and then added a stain. The best advice I can give for choosing a stain is choose something you would use on fencing or decks. There's more details on my stain choice in the blog post. Watching this video. The plans are free and they are live. Click the link in the description to download them.